This has completely blown my mind. Let's say you bought a house in 2020 in the UK for £370,000. You put down a 5% deposit of £18,500 and secured a fixed rate mortgage over 35 years at 2.39%, costing you £989 a month. Thanks to the Help to Buy scheme, the government will contribute 20% towards your new house. At the time, council tax was £180 a month. Household bills would be approximately £160 a month, and your life insurance was £85. So your total monthly expenses were £1,414 in 2020. If you bought the exact same house today, its value would be £425,000. With a 5% deposit, you'd need £21,250. Since the Help to Buy scheme is no longer available, you'll be responsible for the full house price. With a fixed rate 35-year mortgage at 5.2%, your monthly payment would be £2,089 a month. Council tax is now £225 a month. Household bills are £280 a month, and life insurance remains at £85. So your new total monthly expenses would increase to £2,602 per month, which is an increase of £1,188 per month. If that's not bad enough, you'd miss out on over £50,000 in capital appreciation of the property. This is crazy. What do you think?